Ladies and gentlemen, the registration for the Freelancers Wonderland 2025 is now officially open. So excited. Imagine niyo yung personality ko at yung personality ni Mommy MK ng FH Moms pinag-combine sa isang 12 hectares na property na puno ng magical moments. Imagine a place where a freelancer would want to spend time with family and friends. A place where you can learn, a place where you can build a sense of community. And this is also a place for you to meet not just your favorite content creators pagdating sa freelancing, kung hindi, yung mga kagaya ninyo na every single day nagha-hustle. Guys, this is family inclusive. Pwede nyong isama yung jowa nyo, pwede nyong isama yung anak nyo. The place is amazing. The place itself is the one that inspired me to create this event na para sa akin, kailangan natin. This isn't just for aspiring freelancers na naghahanap ng opportunities. Ginawa namin tong event na to para rin do sa mga matatagal na sa industriya. Alam mo yung parang ma-renew yung sense of purpose mo. So if you guys wanna join, head on to my page. Ilalagay namin dyan lahat ng detalye and may bonus pa. The first 200 participants na magjo-join ay makaka-receive ng libreng enrollment, as in libreng enrollment sa Top VIP All Access Pass at dahil nga we're working with Mommy MK dito sa project na to, you also get all-in-one FH Moms courses. Freelancers Wonderland 2025, the happiest place for freelancers to learn and to network is happening on January 19, 2025 at Mother's Wonderland sa Tayabas, Quezon. We will have more details about transportation para sa mga lilipad because yes po, nagpa-advance booking na po kami doon sa mga ibang gusto ng mag-register kaagad. May mga lilipad from Cebu, Davao, Bacolod, and we're so excited! Let me know if you have any questions sa comment section and I'll answer them as fast as I can. But I will see you sa Freelancers Wonderland 2025. Bye!